Hello everyone, welcome my YouTube channel Asghar barbershop. I make video for yours.
Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. They are a type of acne called open comedones. Here's how they form and why they appear. 1. Formation. When excess oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria clog a pore, it creates a plug known as a comedo. If the skin over the bump stays closed, it's called a whitehead. If the skin on top opens, exposing the contents to air, it oxidizes and turns black, forming a blackhead. 2. Causes. Blackheads can be caused by various factors, including hormonal changes, excessive oil production, certain medications, and using comedogenic, pore clogging, skin care products. They are common during puberty, menstruation, and pregnancy due to hormonal fluctuations. 3. Location. Blackheads often appear on the face, particularly the nose, chin, and forehead, but they can also occur on the chest, back, arms, and shoulders. Blackheads are not harmful, but they can be bothersome and may lead to acne if not treated. Regular cleansing and exfoliation can help prevent and manage blackheads.